Imagine you could map every philosophical concept ever explored by thousands of minds. Every idea visited, counted, tracked. What would you find? The answer is striking. 81% of all philosophical concepts are visited exactly once. A single encounter. One journey touches the idea and never returns. Most of philosophy is made of islands. This finding comes from the drift, a dataset of 8,920 philosophical journeys, tracing 28,170 individual concept visits across 2,455 unique ideas. Each journey follows one person exploring philosophy through interconnected topics, moving from concept to concept. When we count how often each concept appears across all journeys, a remarkable structure emerges. Look at the visit frequency distribution. 81.1% of concepts, nearly 2,000 ideas, appear in exactly one journey. 10.3% appear in two journeys. As visits increase, frequency drops sharply. Only 0.5% of concepts, the true hubs, are visited 5 or more times. This is the hub and spoke structure of philosophical exploration. A vast periphery of islands, and a tiny core of repeatedly visited centers. What does it mean to be a singleton concept? Think of it this way. Across nearly 9,000 people exploring philosophy, one person found their way to, say, the philosophy of play, or the concept of liminality, or quietism. They visited it. They moved on. No one else, in all those thousands of journeys, ever went there. Like a remote island. It was touched once by one explorer, and then the sea closed over it again. So what concepts made it to hub status? The top 10 might surprise you. Number 1. Philosophy of hope, with 10 visits across different journeys. Then consciousness at 9, free will at 8, personal identity and meaning of life at 7 each. Ethics, time, philosophy of mind, epistemology, and metaphysics round out the top 10. These are the concepts that people kept returning to from different starting points in different eras of their philosophical journey. The number 1 hub is particularly telling. Philosophy of hope beats out consciousness, free will, and ethics. Why? Because hope sits at an extraordinary intersection. It connects existentialism, questions about meaning and mortality, with ethics, with political philosophy, with psychology. Hope is not a simple concept. It requires asking what we value, what is possible, and what we are obligated to pursue. No wonder minds keep returning to it from different directions. Here is where it gets paradoxical. If 81% of concepts are visited only once, that seems to suggest philosophy is all breadth and no depth. But look at what happens over time. In early and middle phases of exploration, hub visits account for only 17.5% of all stations. In the final phase, Era 3, that jumps to 35.6%. A 2.03 times increase, with statistical significance of p equals 0.012. Early exploration is wide and open. Mature exploration consolidates around what matters. What should we make of all those one-time visits? Are they wasted? Not at all. The singletons are the search space. You cannot know which ideas deserve deeper attention until you have encountered them. Broad first exploration is not inefficiency, it is how philosophical intelligence works. The concepts that survive to become hubs have been selected. They earned their status by remaining relevant when approached from multiple starting points. And every singleton is a road not taken, philosophical territory permanently on the frontier.